Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Hey, it's Rob with Spread Aviation, and I just got a brand new order in from Lift Aviation. It's not Spread Aviation, but Lift Aviation, and I want to check these things out. So I ordered a couple things off of Lift using the promo code FlyCoolShit from the Fly Cool Shit podcast with Mark Pollard and Jeff Petroselli, two buddies of mine. And the discount code works on all items except for helmets and maybe some other items, I'm not sure, but mainly helmets. Everything else, I think the discount code works for. And I just got this package in today, so let's crack this thing open and check it out. All right. So these are the Lift Air Boss. Air Boss 2.0. You can see that right there, Lift Air Boss. And flying shoes are important because if your shoes are too wide and you're flying an aircraft that's got a narrow footwell or any kind of limitations on where your feet can be, having that restriction can impede your ability to put rudder input in or accurate brake inputs. And the nice thing about these shoes as well is they have these sliders on the bottom that allow for nice smooth action on many bases or footwells in the aircraft that you're flying. So you can keep your heels on the floor to enact rudder movement, but then also get your toe action for your brakes if you have toe brakes. If you're flying an aircraft that has heel brakes, the narrow footing means that you have the ability to stay on the pedal and then pivot your foot, kind of like a race car driver, and get those brake action. So these will be interesting to try out. I'm going to a contest this weekend, so I'll wear these, and I intend to wear these throughout Oshkosh as well and see how comfortable they are for every day walking around. The other thing I ordered was a pair of sunglasses. Don't tell my wife because I lose these things like it's my job. But this will be the expensive pair. I ordered the Titanium AVX Gold from these guys, and it comes with this neat little ammo tin, ammo can box. Feels good, solid, nice construction, good latch, foam padding inside, and a nice bag so that you can wipe the things. And then, ooh, shiny, shiny. Yeah, these look good, don't they, buddy? Rawr. All right, so let's check these things out. Do I look like a pilot? Mo better. All right. They're very lightweight, comfortable on the head. Actually, very lightweight. They're lighter weight than the cheapo $5 Walmart pair that I've got sitting over there that I just took off a little bit ago. These are not polarized, so you can use these with your modern displays, and you're not going to have any problem with polarized aircraft cockpits, canopies, glass, anything like that, and it causing any kind of issues when you tilt your head. These things are pretty neat. Feel robust. They don't have any spring. They don't have any spring to them. They're just a fixed hinge, so any spring that you're going to get is going to come from right there in the metal frame flexing. But other than that, they feel good. I like them. All right, so I'll be wearing these this weekend. I'll be wearing my shoes this weekend. I'll be wearing these at Oshkosh as well. So stand by for more in the future. Make sure you click like, follow, and subscribe on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram for a lot more great content like this. So remember, Spread Aviation on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Till next time, I'm Rob with Spread Aviation.